Welcome! In this tutorial we're going to learn how to access a virtual machine over SSH. After you added your key to DigitalOcean's control panel, go to create a droplet and we will create a small one for the demonstration purpose. Make sure your new key is ticked here and click on create droplet. It will take about a minute. And once your droplet is created, copy its IP address. Now open your terminal application and type SSH root at IP address. Press enter and answer yes here. And you are in. Have fun.